Hello everybody, welcome back to Chefing with Chefry. I really hope you enjoyed that last video I made with the breakfast pull-aparts. Well, real quick, since I'm here, I'm going to give a quick shout out to the Econo keg. That's by my brother-in-law Colton and his best friend Ben. They made this, I think it was a 1964 Econo line Ford van. Made it into a mobile bar, and they have taps and everything on the side of it. They call it tapping and everything. It's really cool. I will have it at the end of this video so you can check it out. They have a really cool setup video and a slideshow with it to show the progress and everything, and they're really starting to get it rolling, and I think you should check it out. Today what I'm going to be making is some vegan chili. We're supposed to get some snow, and I just think it would be perfect for chili. I'm going to make a pretty big batch so we can have it today and tomorrow, because tomorrow they're calling for a dusting to up to 2 inches of snow, so let's hope for the 2 inches. Snow's awesome. I love the snow. So this is also a good way that you can get all of your pantry cleaned out. Shh, don't tell anyone. Cheating a little bit, but it's okay. It helps give it the flavor it really needs. So we're going to start off with, this is going to be a topping later on, for garnish. Pickled jalapeno slices, of course, got tomato sauce, got roasted garlic and onion tomatoes, and fire roasted to give a little smokiness, got pinto beans with jalapeno and just regular pinto beans. We forgot a Christmas decoration. Tomato paste, black beans, some corn, and then of course some seasonings, got some alderwood smoked salt to give it some smokiness, and of course some chipotle. Of course, just gonna season it up to what I like, and then onion, some garlic, and a lime. I totally forgot the poblano peppers. I'm gonna grab those. We have a problem with V8 energy drinks. At least it's a serving of fruit and veggies. Veggies and fruits. Of course, you're gonna make sure you give everything a good wash. There's dirt left on this one. Alright, and then what I'm gonna end up doing is cutting these up, dicing this up. I'm gonna saute them in my awesome brand new Princess house pot that was given to me for Christmas. Really appreciate it. And now I'm gonna put the bone into the rig that we got going here. So hold on. So first I'm gonna go ahead and do the poblano peppers. You could go with regular bell peppers if you wanted, but poblanos have more flavor. So I'm gonna go with those. Make sure to get the stems all out. Alright, now I'm just gonna cut them up and speed it up. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's a chili for goodness sake. Now everything's all cut up. I'm going to go ahead and open the cans of beans and drain that off. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the stove and get the oil heating up here. I'm going to put it on a medium heat there. Of course, turn the fan on. You know how my smoke detectors are. This pot's going to be overkill, but that's totally fine. And then just do a few tablespoons in there. Just enough to get the bottom coated up so you can cook your peppers and onions. I'm going to wash all of the starchiness off of the beans as well. Get all that out. That way it's not going to be in your chili. Go ahead and drain off some of the extra juice from the tomatoes. Alright, got the oil in there. It's getting nice and warm. Need you get in there. I'm going to go ahead and grab my poblanos. They're going to take the longest to cook. Oh, no sizzle. Just because it didn't have it turned up enough. Let me turn it up a little bit more. Let me also turn on the main kitchen light. That'll probably help out some now. There we go, now you can really see everything. Remember, when you're using a nice pot that has non-stick coating on it, do not use metal, because you will scratch off the non-stick. And our spoon holder totally says hold me. Thanks, Mom. Now we're starting to get some sizzle in action going. Get these going. We're going to cook these down quite a bit. You really want to get the flavor going really well. So you want to get that caramelized flavor, or caramelized, however you'd like to say it. But how you say it. Yeah. So yeah, another thing I forgot is that you're probably going to want to save some of your onions for your garnish on top of your chili. But that's just personal preference. I don't know if you're gonna like that or not, but I like raw onion on mine. Or you could do green onion, you could do any kind of onion would be good. I could do this into the cast iron, but since there's a lot of tomato, that means it's going to be pretty acidic, and I don't want that. The iron, that's the word I was looking for. The iron to leach into the chili. Turn that all the way up now. Go ahead and add my onions in. I'm going to do most of them and save some of them for garnish for later. So that's how I roll. So as you can see, these onions and peppers are really starting to cook down real nicely. Sorry about the picture quality, it's the steam coming onto the camera. But everything's starting to cook down really nicely. And personal preference, if you like your chili a little bit more runny, you can add more sauce to it. You don't have to add in so much filling into it. But personal preference, I like it chunky. Sorry, you're going to see the setup a little bit here, but I can't do this one-handed. So I'm going to add some salt and pepper to the onions and pepper flavor, and I'm going to add some of my smoked salt here. Give it some smokiness. You want to add the garlic at the last second, because if you don't, it will burn. There we go, garlic's added. Sorry for the shoddy camera work. I'll get this figured out eventually. I'm going to turn it down, so when I add in tomatoes and stuff, that it's not going to go crazy. Okay if it goes a little crazy. Needs more flavor. Let some of that liquid cook off. They'll cook down some and become delicious. Alright, I'll check back in with you in a few minutes. I got this bubbling up pretty good again. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning. I'm going to put in some onion powder. A couple teaspoons of that. A couple teaspoons of garlic powder. Couple teaspoons of cumin, couple teaspoons of chili powder again, or a teaspoon or two, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to add in some chipotle chili flake. Get your heartburn pills ready, this is going to be a good one. And some oregano, probably a teaspoon or two of that. Give that a good stir. Let this liquid cook off and let it reduce. This is going to add more good tomatoey flavor to this. Coming along nicely. Look at that. Just so everybody sees, this is vegan. Sorry that it doesn't want to focus right. We'll go ahead and add in one of the chili packets. This is a good cheap way to get it going pretty fast and get good flavor going. You're going to see the color totally change here. I'm going to get ready to add the tomato sauce into as well. Grab the tomato sauce and pour in 1 can, see what it looks like. Try not to splash and ruin this shirt with a stain. It's looking pretty good. It's pretty loose. If you like your chili loose, you can leave it just like this. But me, I like it thicker, so I'm going to add in a can of tomato paste. I went ahead and added that 1 can of tomato paste. It's going to have to trust me, it was 1 can, I promise. The beans are in. I guess this pot's not going to be overkill after all. This looks like it's going to be yummy. Remember, the longer it cooks, the more flavor it's going to develop. I'm going to go ahead and add that other chili packet. Don't tell anyone. It's our secret. It's in. One of the things that people like to eat with chili is, of course, Fritos. So don't forget your Fritos if you want those. Cheese and sour cream. You can also get the vegan alternatives. What are some of your favorite video games to play? I just recently bought Black Ops and it's a lot of fun. Also Valhalla, Assassin's Creed. I just finished the storyline. Also Call of Duty Modern Warfare, all sorts of stuff. If you ever want to play, I have Xbox. My gamer tag is Sheffrey21. Alright, it's been about an hour. That flavor's getting really good in there now. I know I said you needed your heartburn pill, but you should probably get that Gas X ready too. Now it's trying time. Look at it. Good. Mix it up. This is completely vegan.
And completely delicious.
And completely delicious. This is correct. Let me take it out of this. take it out of the selfie stick. So yeah, it's delicious. Oh, here, I'm gonna go for another bite. Here, you have one. Well, I hope you liked this video, and keep watching my channel, and
Why are you coming over here? No.
I want your opinion.
Why?
I think it's really delicious. I'm looking the wrong way. Jeremy hasn't tried it yet. Go try it, Jeremy.
Well, thank you for watching. You know what I'm about to say. Like and subscribe to my, or like this video and subscribe to my channel. Find me on Facebook and Instagram. You know how it goes. I'll put them in here somewhere so you can see them all.
Why are you whispering?
I'm not whispering. I was yelling earlier. Was I? That's weird. That's awkward.
Oh.
Alright, well, yeah. Hit that subscribe button. See you later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
He doesn't even know what that's from.
I don't.
Smart? Yeah.
Oh. Ew, did you get it?
Stop!